Okay, it is December 18th. This is the cable wire from Comcast, which is hanging since October through the trees, dangling. Trucks almost hit this piece that pulled out of the building several times. We've called at least 10 times to have it repaired since the storm, and every time they come out they say it is fixed and everything is fine. So this is how they fix it, which they didn't. They didn't touch it at all. So that is supposed to be attached up on the side of the building, all the way up there. That's it. Hopefully Comcast will now see this and get our cable line fixed before somebody gets hurt. Thank you. Bye-bye.